आप हैं न्यूज़ नेट इंडिया के साथ।
India got relief after 91 days. The figure of new cases came below 50,000. Now India seems to be getting victory in the long battle against corona. After 91 days, there is a huge decrease in the figure of new case of corona. Within the last 24 hours, only 42,614 new cases of coronavirus have come in the country, which is at the lowest level in more than 3 months. Abu Dhabi opens up free COVID-19 vaccine to tourists. The capital of United Arab Emirates is offering tourists free COVID-19 vaccine that were previously restricted to UAE citizens and residency visa holders. Central Bank of India and Indian Overseas Bank will be privatized. The central government will disinvest its shares in both these public sector banks. The plan is to sell 51% stake in the first selection. Jet Airways will fly again after 2 years. NCLT approves resolution plan. Private airline Jet Airways is ready to fly once again. The Mumbai bench of the National Company Law Tribunal has approved the resolution plan of Calroc, Capital and Murari Lal Jalan for Jet Airways, subject to certain conditions. Delta Plus variant found in 21 people in Maharashtra. 21 cases of Delta Plus, a highly contagious form of COVID-19, have been reported in Maharashtra. State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that the maximum number of 9 cases of this type have been reported in Ratnagiri, 7 in Jalagaon, 2 in Mumbai and 1 each in Thane and Sindhudurg district. Vaccine trial on children of 2 to 6 years in AIIMS from Thursday. The ongoing trial of Covaxin on children in AIIMS is currently being estimated to be completed soon. The first dose was given to the children in the age group of 12 to 18 years at AIIMS. After this, children of 6 to 12 years have also been given the first dose under the trial.